Namaskar. My name is Devdeep Seth and I thank Srijan Shahitya Ashok from Islampur for inviting me to speak for this event. Today I'll be briefly discussing about meditation and how it can be used to overcome depression and anxiety. First of all, what is meditation and why do we need it? If you look at the current world, everything around us is changing. In fact, we also will notice that this change is a progressive change, that man is using various kinds of knowledge like science, arts, economics, etc. to make life easier and better for oneself. However, this is only an external change in the human life and society. Each individual also has an inner self, an inner being, which also needs to change and evolve with time. For our inner and personal evolution, we have practices of meditation. Meditation is a single practice or a set of practices which is performed to ultimately attain spiritual realization, enlightenment, or total self-awareness. However, on the path of practice of meditation, it also has many other benefits such as good health and good mind, etc. I have once been to a meditation camp known as Vipassana. Vipassana is a meditation technique that's taught all over the world and it's free of cost, as well as it is open to all sorts of people, irrespective of their race, religion, or creed. And I suggest if you would like to try this meditation technique, you also register on their website and please perform it. However, in this talk, I'll be talking about another meditation technique very similar to Vipassana known as mindfulness. Mindfulness requires you to sit in a quiet place with a straight posture, close your eyes, and observe your breath. It only begins with observing your breath, but it also goes as far as to observe other activities that is going on within oneself. But to start with, we always observe our breath. So we observe our inhalations and exhalations. And sometimes it so happens that our mind seems to wander away. But that is not to be worried about. That's the nature of the mind. The mind is also known as a monkey in many metaphorical ways. So whenever the mind starts to get distracted and wanders away from the breath, from focusing on the breath, we compassionately and calmly bring back the mind. Instead of reacting to what is happening to our mind, instead of getting angry, instead of becoming sad, instead of becoming worried about it, we just calmly bring the mind back to do what we started to do, which is to observe our breath. As we go on practicing this meditation, we start to let go of what is going on with our mind. We start to let go of how our mind distracts us from what we are trying to do. And this starts to bring about a certain kind of spaciousness between oneself and their thoughts, feelings, etc. So the practice of mindfulness enables one to become aware of one's thoughts, enables one to become aware of one's feelings, as well as also maintain a distance from what it does to affect you. Hence, we start to overcome problems which is within us. In today's world, if we look at problems of depression and anxiety, they are also but problems within the individual. They are problems in the inner life of an individual. Using mindfulness meditation or Vipassana meditation, one can slowly start to overcome the problems of our inner life. With this, I wish you all that you also meditate and have a very wonderful and beautiful journey through that. Thank you.